Hello, my friends and family. I'm here to tell you about Sharecropping 2022. If you don't have anywhere to plant, find a friend, find a family member, or somebody that will not mind you planting in their yard, just placing a few items. So my aunt, she was like, I'm getting too old to garden. I said, well, I'll come over there and drop the seeds, come check on it with you every now and then. And here we go. I planted this about 2 weeks ago, and I planted some crimson sweet starts in a tire with some marigolds. Then I dropped some lemon drop melon seeds 2 weeks ago, and they have already come up. Now half of this stuff I forgot what I dropped, but in here she already had these pots sitting around. I say, well, let's put something in them. This is something I don't remember. We'll find out eventually, but it's either cucumbers or squash or something, or melons or something. I don't remember. But they came up about 2 weeks ago. This, whatever it is amazing. I want to say it's a squash or something. And look at what it did. It was 4 of them in here. I've already pulled 2 and took them to another friend this morning because it's a lot. Here's another one of the watermelon starts that's acting like it might not want to make it. And then I did drop the row of watermelon seeds, different ones. These are Tarentas and other little watermelons that I got from Baker Creek. And they're already coming up. They may have to be thinned. And this is another crimson sweet start. So we're going to see what they do. And I just dropped them in the yard. And she already had what she used to use. So we just worked with what we had. And I have these. I don't know what that is. And I forgot what I dropped. But I'm thinking it's some kind of green. And here's another row of just cucumbers. And all of them sprouted all the way down. It's about 15 plants. So I'll have to thin those. And here was cabbage. We're not sure if anything came up, but I dropped some more spinach down there today. Here, I forgot what I dropped. And here, I dropped tomatoes. And you can see little bitty tomatoes coming up everywhere. So we also had another tire over here. And this is a full sunlight area. So it's a good spot over here too. I said, oh, let me put something over here. And it was another tire. So I dropped some 1,000 head kale. So in 2 weeks, they're doing pretty good. So I'm going to do a little low maintenance garden over here too. And come share crop. So we'll share the food that comes up out of it and see what happens. So don't give up. Drop a seed wherever you can. Drop a seed, because when and if things get too crucial, we want to be ready. And you know it takes about 30 to 60 days to grow something, so have something in the ground. Drop a seed every day. So I hope this helped. I hope this motivated and gave somebody some ideas of how they can get more seeds in the ground. And I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day. And get out and drop some seeds. Bye-bye.